Hello, friends. Hi. So, welcome to this ChatGPT Masterclass. And today I'm going to discuss how you can start with ChatGPT and open your account. So, this will be your first step in the world of artificial intelligence powered ChatGPT. First step is to start create your account, and we will see what are the different features of this account and how we can use prompts, okay, to get the best result out of this. So first thing first, let's start with creating our new account. Okay, so what we'll do now, let me start sharing my screen and we will come back to our browser here. I hope you all able to see my screen. And here in this one, first of all, everyone, you can come to this screen, open the browser and load this thing with chat.openai.com. Okay, so let me just start from here, from the scratch, chat.openai. So once you click this, you'll be able to see this window. This is your first landing page. Uh, since you do not have the account right now, okay, assuming that you're starting brand new. So first of all, you go to this sign up button, just click on the sign up. And here you will be having option to create your account using your email, or you can use this thing using the Google or say Microsoft account or continue with Apple. So whatever is your preference. So I will start with creating a brand new using my email address, Manoj at gmail.com. Okay. And let's continue this. After continuing, it will ask the password. So let's put the password here. Continue this. Okay, you tried signing in with a different authentication method, then use this thing. So please try again. Okay, so let's try. I think there is a this email had been already used. So what we'll do now? Let's sign up with a brand new account. Let me just see if we could do this thing once again. Info at manojgupta.com. Okay, continue. And here I'm just putting my password and then okay, let's continue. Perfect. So with this, we need to verify this email. Okay. So what I'll do now, I will just go and verify on my email, right? The email that I had just used to come to this. So let me come back here. Yes. So what I'll do now, let me come back to this. So let me stop. So I will offline go and then verify my email. It means that you will be getting an email from OpenAI, and just you need to go and confirm that you have got the email and you have the email available with you. Okay, so I will just go to my email account now and I'm going to just confirm this thing back quickly. Verify my email. Okay, I'm going to verify my email now. Email is verified. Okay, and now I will just come back to my account here again. Okay, all right. So this one I'm going to use once again. Right. So all right. So perfect. So now let me just see. I am able to get through this. Right. Okay. So I'm coming back to my screen again, and let me share you my screen, and we will be coming back to this. So here I had gone and verified my email. So again, come to this chat dot openai.com. Okay, and come to this screen once again. And since I have now signed up, I have given my login details. So this started login now. Okay. So in this one, I will just email here. Okay. Don't write. So I had just created this info at my email address. Okay. Now give the password that you had chosen to create this. Okay. And then continue. Perfect. All right, so let me remove this floating meeting panel. And here you need to talk about a little bit about you. So say I'm just saying Manoj Gupta, okay, my name. And you can mention about your date of birth. So for me, okay, let's continue this. Okay, and then you can mention your number. Yes, send the code on this. So you'll be getting the code into this number. And once you receive the code, just check out your email and right. So you'll be getting a message. So here I'm just going to put the details, right? So it is verifying my it is now going to verify my mobile number, right? So first step is it has verified the email. Second step is it has verified this there. Okay. Now this is a free research preview. Okay, just click next. Okay, and here you can also see the details and all. Next. Okay, we would love your feedback. If you want to give the feedback, that is fine. Otherwise, you can just mention done. And this is the landing page. Okay, so this is your main setup that is now done for you. Okay, so this is where you'll be coming in. And here you can see there are two options, GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. Right. So 4 is a paid version. So we are going to use the free version. Okay. Because most of you are the beginners or we are just starting with this, quite new. So we don't have to go for paid version right now. We can do this thing once we are using this thing professionally to at advanced level. So we'll start with this one, GPT 3.5. Okay. And here on this left side, you can see new chat and this panels are there. Okay. So whenever we are going to create a new session, means when once we ask the question, it is going to ask create a new session. This new session would be available on this chat. Okay, so say for example that I'm just saying hi. Okay, let's start this. So it's saying that hello, how can I assist you today? So this assist you today, this has created like here. Okay, you have option to change this thing here. Like you can have option that you can just mention chat GPT introduction. Perfect. And then just click on this. So that way, every time you're going to create talk about this, it is going to create a new session. Okay. In that session itself, if you are going to re-log in, it will going to create a new session for you. So this way you can start creating this thing. And here we can just ask, like say for example, write an email to accept my job offer as solution director uh, from Microsoft. Like say, for example, I want ChatGPT to write an email for me, wherein I am going to accept the job offer that has been provided by Microsoft. Okay, I'm just taking an example here. Okay, all right. So let's see this. Here you can see simply this email has started coming on. Subject is there, acceptance of solution, and then hiring manager, all the details. Now you can see the power of ChatGPT. So in this introductory session, I just given you the understanding how you're going to create your account and your entire setup would be done. So we are going to start with the free version that is ChatGPT 3.5. And once we go to the advanced level, we can upgrade this thing to the paid version there. I hope you understood this entire concept. So let me stop it right away. Okay. And you have a complete idea and understanding that how you can create your account in ChatGPT using your email and then your mobile number, verify both email and mobile. And once you are done with this, you'll be directly coming to the main page. Okay. And there you'll be starting with the next steps and all. I hope you enjoyed the session. Okay. Just mention in the comment box how easy it was. And if you are done with this, just take a screenshot and paste in the LMS. Okay. Super. So thank you so much. We will stop now here.